I did receive an email stating for me to provide them with the footage before posting it, and I politely declined. I received the viral AI nail lamp Onails a couple of weeks back, and I've only used it a couple times, but I did want to just speak on it and just dive in a little bit. They did send me this item as well as the battery charging dock and 2 extra batteries. When they first reached out to me, they asked if I can review their product in exchange for free products, and of course I said yes. They did ask if I could submit a draft of the video 7 to 10 days prior to physically posting it, and like I said, that is something that I declined. My videos on product reviews and unboxing are of my honest reaction, and I don't accommodate it just for a free product. I'm not sure if this is something that they do with everybody, but like I said, I do know that they asked me to do it, and yeah, that's something that I'm just not willing to change my mind on. If I have to submit my video for you to review, then what's the point of me even reviewing it if you want me to change certain stuff that is probably not going to benefit the product? If you have a good product, then you shouldn't be worried about it. Once I received the product, it did take me time to physically do an unboxing and opening it with life and new baby. But yeah, so I've been using this for a couple of, I want to say, I think I tried it a couple of times. You guys know I do my nails a little bit more often, but I am not somebody who is a nail tech for me to try this on multiple people. I'm just doing this review on using it myself. So really quick, let's just get right down to exactly what this AI nail lamp entitles. This is an AI-powered nail curing lamp designed for professional and at-home use with 109 high-power LEDs and advanced AI technology. It provides fast, even, and safe curing for gel polish, gel, and nail art, as they claim. Key features: AI nail detection. It only cures your nails. It has a camera under it, so it only cures your nails and not your skin. It eliminates dead spots and cures gel evenly with the 109 powerful LED lights. With the lights, it does find your nails and it turns off certain lights. If it's not going to cure it, it turns on the proper lights. So it does double the lifespan of the nail lamp because it's not using all lights, if that makes sense. Ensures even flawless results while cutting curing time. Long-lasting design with a lifetime maintenance, which is awesome. As stated, this is an AI nail lamp, which means it does detect where your nails are and it only cures your nails, not your skin. Also, it learns as it goes and grows with you, which is kind of weird and crazy to think about. It's a freaking nail lamp. Like, how is it gonna learn? If you connect it to Wi-Fi, it does do like these updates over time. Whenever Onail has an update, you can go ahead and just update your device. On top of the nail lamp, they did send me the battery charging station and with the 2 lithium batteries, which is awesome. Now, I did test this out, and when I say these do last long, but when it tells you, I think it says like 10 minutes before it dies. It's not 10 minutes, it's 10 seconds. So I think I was like, what the hell happened? It said 10 minutes. I had 10 minutes left. It was not 10 minutes, it was 10 seconds. That was a little annoying. When you turn it on, it does do this voice thing.
Hello. Hey, welcome to Onail. For health, please use Skin Health AI lamp only.
To me, I think that's just like a little bit annoying every single time you turn it on. Like, I don't want to hear that. I just want to stick my hand and cure it. I love the feature with the LED screen in the front. I think that is so freaking cool, and you can see your nails curing if you have it properly lined up in camera, which is awesome. And just to show you, the camera is in the center. It has all the LED lights around the sides, and I can definitely tell you that it does cure evenly, which is great. If you didn't want to use the power bank, you can just go ahead and just plug it in. It does come with a seat port cord, so it can just stay on. It does have an off and on button, so do turn it off when you're not in use. But in the morning, obviously you come in, turn it on, and you're good to go. The rechargeable lithium batteries does have a 24-hour power supply, so when one dies out, you can take that one out, plug in the new one, and then charge the other one, and you could continuously do that. But if you're somebody who works at home, you really don't need to do that. You can easily just leave it plugged in. But if you are somebody who travels, this will be great for you. One thing I love about it is how clean line it looks. It is so freaking pretty. The all white, the design on the outside is really pretty. It's supposed to mimic leather, but it's not. It's plastic. There's no leather at all. I don't know why somebody said leather. Crystals on it are to die for. I am a bling girly, so having these crystals on the physical lamp itself is amazing. There is 8 buttons. We have the AI button, which is what you turn on if you want to detect your nails. If you turn that off, it'll just stay lit as long as you have your hand placed inside, or if you do press-ons, turn off the AI button so it'll just stay on and just cure the nails properly. We have the Wi-Fi button that you can go ahead and just connect to the Wi-Fi, and then it'll update as time goes on. The volume button, they do this little screen, this little commercial, I want to say, on the LED screen where you can mute that. You cannot mute the physical beeping when you're putting your hand in and out, but the voice of them, or the music, should I say, of the physical commercial or the commercial or ad, you can silence it. We have a 30-second button A, which is base coat colored gels, a 90-second B colored gel, hard to cure gels, 75-second F builder extension gels, which is the one I like to use, and then the 120T, which is top coat. And the last button is the on and off button, which is in the back. If you have any issues and want to learn more about the products, you can go and scan the QR code in the back, which is the Onail tech support. It also shows you the manual, and it has like little videos on how everything works and stuff like that. If you're a nail tech and you are working in a salon, you can go ahead and just put this up. Is this a sticker? Okay, so it is sticky, so you can stick this to your wall or you can stick this to the window, but this will just let customers know that you do have the new AI Onail lamp, and this might excite them and might want them to come in and get their nails done just to test out the new lamp. You never know, it might help you guys out. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to use this throughout, I don't know, the next couple of months just to see how everything progresses. I do want to update you guys later on, but I really like the whole idea of this. I think it is really futuristic, should I say. On the physical box for the nail lamp itself, it says $3.99, which is $400. Actually, no, because hold on, let's go to the website. Okay, so online is going for $2.99, but for some reason they have it here for $3.99. Either way, if you use my code YTCRUZ100, you can get $100 off, which is great. It is a good product, and they should have nothing to worry about. If they're selling a product, they should back it up and not have to feel like they need to adjust somebody's opinion. That's the only annoying thing. But if you was wondering what to get somebody for Christmas, I think this is a great gift item. It's very high-end, and it is definitely cool, and this is something that I think is worth the money if you use my code, because the full $300, that is like steep, but $200 I could get away with a $200 nail lamp. A lot of these other lamps are like $150, $160. I seen one for $180, and they don't have this LED screen. It doesn't detect your nails. Like, it just cures the whole thing, and that's it. So I think this is one, it is advanced. It is going to update as time goes on. Just excited to see what else they have in store. Keeping this quick, easy, and short, 1, 2, 3. I do have another video that I want to post for you guys, Christmas nails. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. But again, use my code if you want to get it. I do like it. I do recommend it. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next one.